Hello friends, today we have Hawkins Futura non-stick and we will be unboxing. And as you can see, it is a non-stick frying pan and it is 26 diameter wide. By diameter I mean the distance between the rounded sides and not the bottom. So you will be watching. Let's see what's inside the pack. So we have this wooden spatula and the pan and a cookbook along with it in Hindi. I don't know if it's English. Yes, English on the other side. So might be handy. So let's see if there's any other thing. No, nothing inside. So let's unwrap the pan. So this is the pan and how it looks. It comes with 2-year warranty, as you can see, and we have the scrubber especially for this non-stick part and non-stick pan. So we shouldn't be using our regular scrubber because it has some metal in it, so you should be careful with that. And as you can see, how is it, and let's see the back if there's something important on the other side. So you can also order its lid. It's optional, it does not come with default, but you can buy it separately, or there is like a lid which comes with the pan itself. So it's your choice, you want it with lid or not. It's enough heavy, I mean significantly, so it's good. It has good thickness, like 3.5 mm thick. So yeah, it's heavy, not so light, and I think it's hard anodized, so it's also a good thing. So this is how it looks. The handle is also sturdy, not so bad. That's it.